Hello, welcome to On-Edge Components. Right. It's a pretty nice race bike. Pull that next. It's a flat mount caliper. Gonna remove the brake pads. 2.5. Pull the safety clip. It's got some life in it. Looks okay. Pretty decent. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Tools. These have been released by the time this video is uploaded. These are brake wedge, or this is like a brake piston tool. So what it does is it'll reset the two pistons in the caliper using a wedge system. You can see that. You start here, and as the wedge goes up, it grows. So we'll show that. Basically just got centered up. You see how it was? And it's flushed out with the caliper. Right, everything's flush. You pull it out and your pistons have been reset. Yep, pistons are flush, and then afterwards it's got a 2-piston block. Bleed block. And you just put it in like that. They are 3D printed. I 3D print them personally, and they're also designed by me personally again. And it's just a really clean tool. It's easy to use. It's simple. There's no moving parts, nothing to get lost. When you're done, they lock back together, and we'll show that. Retails for 20 bucks on onedgecomponents.com or our eBay. On some of your really high powered 4-piston brakes, you can just pump them really hard because these tools are 100% fill. They will not crush or crimp like even your cheap bleed blocks. I've had bleed blocks that just the fins on them just start getting smashed flat because of the pistons. You can crank on these and they won't go anywhere. Reset the pistons. So yeah, put it through, center it up, and you see where it's sitting. There's a gap in between either side. You can take a gap here, and there's a gap on left and right. Right? Take this tool, and it's now flush on the inside of the caliper. You can see the pistons are now flush. And then you release the tool, right? Flip it around. See, it uses a 2-pot. Just put it in like that. It's self-stopping, it's tight, it's precise. Give it a pump. It's firm. Just kind of like how SRAMs are. A little bit of squish. Yeah, I don't know. But it does stop right here. Yeah. Nice and firm. Now we'll show the bleed block. No dents. See the surface finish on that? Yeah. Yeah, when you're done, right? Four piston. Two piston blocks. You can see the size difference. So it'll fit most of your major brands of calipers for the blocks, the bleed blocks. And then your wedges will do anything from a little SRAM red or Force 22 caliper, which has a pretty narrow slot, to a Hope V4 with one of the widest pad slots in existence. The on-edge components caliper tool. Go get yours today. Also available is these little bleed blocks / caliper piston service tool. So you insert it on one end, you press the piston out, it'll hit the retaining section. You can clean it, lubricate it, use the wedge tool to put it back in, and then flip it and repeat. When you're done, you can also bleed said brake with the block side. SRAM, it says 2 piston, on-edge components. In our signature red colorway. And an easy find pad pin slot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hey there. Wondering how you can get these tools? Well, I'm going to show you how. Visit onedgecomponentsusa.com. Click on the website. Take a look at this awesome homepage picture. And go into components. On the right hand side, you'll see 3D printed. Hit tools. And you'll unveil our full lineup of 3D printed brake tools and suspension tools. Right now, most of these are just bleed blocks and sticky piston tools. But you can go and get things like this wedge tool as shown in the video. Right here. Look at our little description there. Even some of the photos. Or if you have a SRAM G2 or guide, you can look at one of these blocks to go along with the wedge tool. You know, this releases the pistons, the other one will reset them. They go hand in hand. It's a great combo. Or if you're unsure of what brake you have, you can always read this ever-growing chart of models that we have tools for. Add to cart. You go view cart. We will also have some promo codes I'll stick them down in the description of this video. So go check it out. There's all sorts of great things on this website. We're also working on a lineup of articles and some other things that are somewhat cycling related, but if you're just looking for tools, here you go. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.